I am going to teach you how we can ask a question about countable or uncountable. By the way, countable things like markers, countable malluka can be a missy, singular or plural. Singular means only one. Plural means more than one. But the uncountable is always singular. Uncountable is always singular because we don't count, so it's in the singular state. We don't add s. As I said that, Yusuf, yes, Lucy, Farida, countable nouns, it can be singular. So we can say there is, or it can be plural, more than one. So we are going to use there, are, deal. But the uncountable nouns, Yasin, uncountable nouns, Ro'a, the uncountable nouns are always singular. Don't add s, don't use r. Singular. Don't add s, don't use r. Because we can't, can I count my hair? No. So I'm going to say there is some hair. There is some hair. There is some coffee. There is some oil. There is some food. There is some juice. There is some money. Mommy, I want some money. I want to buy candy. So we use the word some. We use the word some. Okay. So yeah, Lucy, for the uncountable nouns, I said that the uncountable nouns is always singular. So that means it's not plural. Don't add s, don't use r. Don't add s and don't use r. Can I say monies? No. Waters? No. Airs? No. Rices? No. Flowers? No. Okay, I mean the flour which is the white powder for making bread. But the flour we smell is countable. The flour that we use to make bread is uncountable. Deal? The white powder which we use to make cake. This is called flour. The same pronunciation. Look, this is, look, here we have uncountable flour. Okay? And here the countable flowers. Yes, this is the flour I can smell. So this is the flour. But this is white powder we use to make bread. You got the point? So both of them are pronounced flour. But one is countable and one is uncountable. For the uncountable things, as I said, we are going to use there is or there are. For the uncountable, there is. Uncountable, there is. Because uncountable is always singular. Don't add s, don't use r. When can we add s or use r? When I use a container. I can say bottles. I can say packets. I count the container, as I told you. Deal? Okay. So here, always singular. So I'm going to say there is some. There is some. And here, wait. When I am going to use countable and only one, so we use there is and we can use a or an. A, marker, and orange. When I'm talking about one marker or one orange. But if I have 5 oranges,
we use n.
No, we use what? We use what? Some oranges. There are some oranges. So here, for there is a, we use there is a or there is an. When I am going to use countable plural, so we use there are some. There are some. Okay, let's write example. Say, I'm going to say here, there is some money in my bag. There is some money in my bag. And here, there is one orange. So we use some or a or an.
Some.
One orange.
And.
And there is an orange. Or I'm going to use there are oranges. We use what?
Some.
Oranges.
Some.
Oranges.
Some.
Some oranges because more than one and they are countable. Deal?
Deal.
What is the difference between some and any? I use any in the negative and question. I use any in the negative and
Question.
So, Farida, Missy, Maluka.
Okay.
Lucy, we have here, yeah, Lucy, some
And in.
and
In.
Farida. Yasin, when I am going, Yaruka, to use some, Yakinzi, or any, you have to know. Adham, we use any in the negative or question. Any in the negative or
Question.
Negative means
Not us.
and question means question mark. Question means question
Mark.
And we use some in the affirmative, positive, no, negative, no, question. No, negative, no, question. So when I say here, there isn't negative, some or any, negative, some or any. Any. There isn't any money. There isn't any money. If I want to ask a question like, is there food? Question, some or any, question. Negative and the question we use any. Negative and the question we use any. Positive, affirmative, some. Positive, affirmative, some. So the negative and question here, Farida, we use what? Any. Okay. Deal? Deal?
Deal or no deal?
Okay.
No deal? Okay.
Look. You have your sheet, right? Okay. I want to solve with you some question related to this part. I want a page, the last one, the last page, 127. The last page, 127. The last page, 127. The last page, 127. Okay, in this page, we are supposed to complete the sentences using a, or, an, or, some, or, any. So we should concentrate well. Deal? Okay, let's start with the first one here. The first one, there is milk. Milk, countable or uncountable? Milk, uncountable. So I'm going to use, it's not negative. Not negative. Some. There is some milk. There is some milk in the bottle. There is some milk. Uncountable and the sentence is positive. Kenzie, sit down. Uncountable and the sentence is positive. Some. Next one. Is there tea in the teapot? Uncountable question. Uncountable question. Negative. Negative or question we use
Any.
Negative for question we use.
Any.
Negative for question Maluka we use.
Any.
Okay. Next one. Yes, there are students.
Some.
Bravo, Lucy. There are students. Some. Number 3, some. Number 4, I'd like orange. And, Bravo, Yasin. And orange. Any. Number 4, orange. Orange. And orange. And orange. Look here.
Miss, we have 4 and 5 the same.
Yes. And no, number 5, I'd like oranges. Bravo. Oranges. Some. Countable plural. Some. Yes, number 5, some. Number 6, he needs